Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. We're in my kitchen. Yes, we're in my kitchen. You're like, why are we in the kitchen, girl? What we doing? We about to whip up something? No. But I have items that are for the kitchen, well, for the pantry. So I decided, why not just film the video in the kitchen so I can put these items away. And at the end of the video, we're going to talk about something a little bit more important. So definitely stay tuned all the way to the end. So let's get started on this week's Dollar Tree haul. So first, I want to start off with some little just happy things that I found. I can't believe this. Okay, so they have the Reese Puffs bats at the Dollar Tree, full size. These are full size cereals, full size. And they even have the box top for education. Make sure that you are submitting your kids box tops for educations. It does help. So definitely make sure you're doing that. This cereal is good until July 22nd, 2019. So I have 2 of these. I found the pumpkin spice. This is the family size. This isn't even the regular size. This is the big kahuna that normally is like, what, $4.58 or something at the grocery store. The pumpkin spice Cheerios. It doesn't expire until August 16, 2019. Again, it has the box top for education. Look at that. Family size, okay? Because Justin was just complaining about needing more cereal choices because he didn't like the Kicks, which, oh well. But yeah, so these give you some more options. But wait, there's one more. I found a peanut butter chocolate blasted shreds from General Mills. Expiration is not until March 5th, 2019. And again, it has the box tops for education. They look just like this. That way he has all kind of choices, okay? All kind of choices. But man, I thought these were a great deal. This is a full size box of cereal. This is normally like $3 and some change, and you get it for just $1. What y'all doing? Get out to the Dollar Tree right now. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life? Full size and family size cereals, man, on deck. Oops, there went my family size cereal. Let me stop playing so much. But yeah, on deck. So definitely make sure you get to Dollar Tree and check them out. I swear I keep getting stocking stuffers, so I need to stop. But I got this Brush Buddies emojis. Look at that, guys. Emoji Brush Buddies. It comes with the toothbrush, and it comes with a little cup. So I got that one for Christian. And they had Care Bears. Oh my God, I love Care Bears. I love Care Bears. And they had the Care Bears one. This one is for Grace, and it comes with a cute little Care Bears cup. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It is so cute. I cannot wait to give this to them. I hope they're as excited as I am. And sorry about the little bit of glare. I can't believe the lighting is like coming through so strong, okay? Ooh, I only have the blinds halfway open, not even all the way open. And I got this brush for Justin. It's just a regular, you know, brush. Not done with stuff for the kitchen. I found the Swiss Miss with the marshmallows. So I have the Swiss Miss with the marshmallows. I found these really cute cups. This one says, "Sip back and relax." How cute is that? And then this one says, "Rise and grind." If that glare, don't stop. Like, what is with the lights? Like, the lights are on 20 today. I don't know what's going on. But this one says, "Rise and grind." If you guys can see it, there it is. There you go. Rise and grind. I like the Rise and Grind one. And I just love the color. So pick those 2 up. I don't know if they have any more. I got these like a week ago, and I forgot to haul them. So they might still have them. Picked up a toy from Steven's Universe, just a mini. That way I can put it as a stocking stuffer, probably for Justin. And it's so funny, people used to say when I had that purple lavender hair that I was similar to Amethyst. Which I totally get. I definitely was. But yeah, this is from Steven's Universe. For toothbrushes, can't have too many toothbrushes. I thought this was super cute. It's a tote, it's a cosmetic bag. I just thought this was really pretty with all the different pineapples and stuff on it. And the way that it just opens from here, and has a nice little side carrier. So I thought that was really pretty. So I picked this up for Grace to, you know, keep like little cards and stuff in, whatever she wants to put in it. I picked these up for the kids. They're really cute. We have a Santa. Hi Santa, how are you? Am I getting any gifts? Was I good? Was I good? Am I on the good list or am I on the naughty list? Santa, I better be on your good list. I've been a really nice girl. So I got a mini Santa, and I got an elf, the little helper. So I have the elf too. And the elf is gonna give me a hookup. He gonna make sure I get my gifts because Santa don't be knowing he talk about. So the elf is gonna hook me up. For my tree, just some candy canes, some basic candy canes, because I really didn't have that many candy canes for my tree. So got a few because the kids are gonna try to eat them, so I didn't want too many. I got the Scoochies, oh no, Scoochie. We go through this every time with this brand. Who cares? Okay, anyway, this is their Christmas like hair care things. So I picked up the Christmas hair care things. I got some David sunflower seeds. These are the Jumbo Ranch. I love sunflower seeds. I do. Oh, I do. I love sunflower seeds. My granny always yell at me. She's like, you eating all them sunflower seeds, doing all that work for that little seed on the inside. And I want to. Okay, I want to. So I got me some of the Jumbo, and I think for $1 it's a really good deal. I'm trying to look at the calories. It's like 320 calories in these things, but that's for the whole package. And the carbs, 9 grams of carbs, which is really good. Fat, 27 grams. And that's for the whole package. But the only thing that's really bad in this is the sodium. Kernels plus seasoning on shell. 4,630 mgs. That's 193% of your daily value needed of sodium. So if you're going to eat sunflower seeds sparingly, do not eat this whole thing at once because the sodium is out of control. It's crazy. So that's the haul. If you want to click out and you're done after the haul, see you later. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed the haul. Find some of the new items if you can. Now on to something a little bit more serious about the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is doing a drive. They started a couple weeks ago where you can donate a toy for $1. At the checkout, you can donate a toy for $1. Sometimes cashiers do not mention it, but the toys, they are always sitting there. And if not, you can ask your cashier, hey, how do I donate the toy for the military family? And it's sad because a lot of people are not donating a toy, but you can go and get you a soda pop on the way out that costs $1, or you can buy that candy bar that costs $1, but you can't donate a toy for a kid for Christmas that costs $1. Like, to me, that's making no sense. You can buy some candy, but you can't donate a toy and help make somebody's Christmas a little bit brighter. That's selfish. And I just want to say now, and I'm taking a stance for my subscribers, my people who watch me, people who love my videos, I'm telling you now, we, the people that watch me, 1,000 or whoever gonna see this, when you go to the Dollar Tree next time, make sure you donate a toy. Donate one toy. It costs $1. One item that you didn't even need anyway that you put in your cart, you can put back and donate a toy. When I go into the Dollar Tree, at least I want to say, I go to the Dollar Tree a couple times a week. I make sure to donate a toy at the checkout. They don't mention it. Like the first week they were gun-ho about it. You know, employees, they're gun-ho in the beginning and then they stop asking. But each time I go in there, I say, can I donate a toy? And they're like, oh yeah, I forgot, yeah, we're doing the donations. Because they're regular people, they forget things. And if it's not incentivized anything for them, sometimes they don't want to do it or they get too busy. But donate a toy. I talked to a girl yesterday, I don't want to say her name, she works at Dollar Tree, and she's like, a lot of these people she asked for donations for the toys and they say no. How are you going to say no to donating $1? But you can buy something that you didn't even need. Now, I'm not talking to people that's barely making it, went in there with their last 5 to get 5 things to make dinner tonight. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking to people in there that's getting the makeup. I'm talking to the people that's in there just buying irrelevant stuff. I'm talking to people that rather get the candy bar and the soda and the chips than to donate to a family that could use the toy. We're not saying get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 toys. One for $1. Take $1 and change. Take 4 quarters and 8 cents or whatever your taxes equal out to where you live. Please donate. And if you heard my refrigerator the whole time, I'm sorry, y'all. But make sure to donate. Donate a toy. And I'm 1,000% serious on this. Donate a toy, please, 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 if you're a subscriber of mine, next time you go into the Dollar Tree, donate a toy, please. Okay, so that's all I wanted to say. Thank you guys. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. My subscribers are bomb. I think y'all are just amazing. If you missed the last video, it came out yesterday. I think it was my empties products I used up. Go check it out. We need to keep the views coming. We need to make sure we stay over 1,000 views per video. It just looks good. Okay, so if you haven't seen that video, make sure to go check it out. I'm about to just edit and upload this Dollar Tree video for you. Yeah, so remember, rate, comment, subscribe, donate a toy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.